Now we are at Singapore. Yes, I'm in Singapore. So basically now I'm going to travel to concert, Taeyeon concert. So hopefully guys I'll bring guys along. And it's another Singapore trip. I know I've been to Singapore a lot of times, but I never get bored of it. Alright, so there's gonna be more, and Taeyeon concert coming very soon, guys. We'll see you guys then. What's up, yo? It's me, Taanker. Good morning. We are now at Bodque and heading just for breakfast and lunch later. And around right now is like around in the morning 7 a.m. So it's quite empty. Everything is not open yet. I think most of the shop opens at 9 a.m. So we are just scurrying around, just going around through the city area, and hopefully that just to enjoy the scenery. And yeah, Taeyeon concert later, like maybe around in the afternoon. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Shit, god damn. It's Tom and Jerry. Oh my gosh. It's a Ferrari. What's up, yo? It's me, Taanker, and we are right now out in the open. We finished Taeyeon concert and it was very crazy, wonderful. Definitely definitely a great experience. Shout out to again Taeyeon for such an amazing performance. So definitely will be coming back again in the future. So hopefully next time I can bring in my GoPro or something, but it's hard to say. But to be sure, we'll definitely be back for more of the event, and to look out for more of this concert. So yeah, this like conclude the whole trip of Singapore, because the whole point is to go to the concert, and the rest of it is just me going for food and shopping. Yeah, pretty much what could expect. And of course more walking and walking. So yeah, that's about it for me for today, and I'll see you guys very very soon. All right, peace y'all. Peace. See you, everybody. What is this? The perfect room, right? This 100% view room. Di ba masuk? Ini. Actually got it. Actually got it.
That's all for the video. Hope you guys enjoy the Singapore vlog, and I do plan to do more of this kind of videos in the future. So do subscribe and give me a follow. So hope you guys will see you very soon. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.